Every bottle begins far from the shelf.
Raw materials enter a controlled path.
Separation defines the journey.
Energy is held, waiting. Nothing is wasted.
Direction creates efficiency. Conditioning prepares the base. Pressure reshapes matter.
Heat unlocks potential.
Transformation starts here. Form begins to emerge.
Chains are built.
Uniformity matter. Stability is set. Consistency is protected, and material becomes inventory. Movement connects stages.
The journey continues.
Material leaves storage with purpose. Every load is stabilized.
Movement begins.
Paths are planned. Precision travels with the cargo. Systems converge.
Position is everything.
Connections are secured. Flow replaces stillness. Transport becomes integration. Routing defines direction.
Targets are met.
Cleanliness is engineered.
Traceability matters.
Transfer is complete. Cycles continue. Material advances. The factory receives its charge. And this is how modern factories produce plastic bottles from start to finish.